Meet the Shine Hub Solar Affordability Plan, or SAP, the smarter way to go solar without breaking the bank. Unlike cash purchases or loans that require big upfront costs or interest payments, the SAP lets you enjoy solar with $0 upfront. No debt, no loans. Just simple, predictable payments for the energy your system produces. Here's how it works. The Shine Hub SAP locks in affordable, fixed monthly payments for 10 years. No surprises, no spikes, just predictable energy costs. We'll install your solar and battery system at no cost to you and handle all the maintenance along the way. Plus, it comes with a full performance guarantee. If your system doesn't deliver as promised, we'll fix it or refund the difference. You save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy a fully maintained system with no hidden fees. After 10 years, the system is yours for just $1, making long-term solar ownership simple and affordable. Plus, it also increases the value of your home. While energy prices keep climbing, the Shine Hub SAP stays fixed, giving you peace of mind and predictable savings. You can put towards things that matter: bills, groceries, holidays. It's long-term financial stability. Plus, you get access to the retailer-independent Shine Hub Virtual Power Plant. That means your battery earns 55 cents for every kilowatt hour shared with the grid. That could get you up to $300 in extra credits each year, just for being part of the VPP. More savings, more value, and complete control over your energy. The Shine Hub SAP is the smart, simple way to take control of your energy future. Ready to make the switch? Let's get started.